The Tsar Bomba nuclear device. This was not a normal weapon, it was a literal world-destroying monster engineered by Soviet scientists during the absolute peak of the Cold War. Holding the record as the most powerful nuclear explosive ever detonated in human history, this mechanical titan generated an astronomical 50 megatons of destructive force. The atmospheric blast wave was so incredibly violent that it circled the entire planet 3 times, breaking windows thousands of kilometers away. Because its catastrophic radiation and thermal heat could instantly incinerate whole nations, superpowers permanently banned atmospheric testing. The Antonov A-40 flying tank. This was one of the most bizarre and dangerous military experiments in aviation history, designed by Soviet engineers during the Second World War. The radical concept was to attach massive biplane wings and a twin-tail structure directly onto a standard T-60 light combat tank. The military planners wanted heavy bombers to tow this armored behemoth into the sky and release it like a glider directly onto the battlefield. However, during its initial flight testing, the extreme drag and crushing weight almost caused the towing aircraft to crash, forcing the Army to permanently ban and cancel the project. Project Pluto nuclear missile. This was a radical and terrifying experimental weapon engineered by American designers during the 1950s. The strategic concept was to build a low-flying supersonic cruise missile powered by an unshielded nuclear ramjet engine. As it flew across enemy territories at Mach 3, the aircraft would literally spew deadly radioactive fallout directly from its exhaust, poisoning everything beneath its flight path. The project was canceled because it was deemed too dangerous even to test safely. The BLU-82 Daisy Cutter. This is one of the largest conventional bombs utilized by the United States military, designed specifically to clear massive jungle sectors for helicopter landing zones. Weighing nearly 7 tons and packed with highly explosive specialized liquid nitrate, this aluminum canister does not create a standard crater. Instead, it detonates just above the ground surface, producing an ultra-violent shockwave that pulverizes trees and structures across a massive radius. The Mil Mi-24 flying tank. While technically a military attack helicopter, this heavily armored Soviet vehicle functioned as a terrifying weapon on global battlefields. Known to Western intelligence as the Hind, this titanium beast combined heavy anti-tank missile firepower with an internal troop transport cabin. Its armored fuselage was so incredibly thick that it could deflect direct hits from heavy infantry machine guns, earning it a reputation as an indestructible airborne bunker. The Davy Crockett nuclear gun. Officially engineered as the smallest tactical nuclear weapon deployment system in the world, this bizarre American device could be launched from the back of a standard military jeep. It featured a small recoilless rifle that fired a low-yield atomic warhead across a distance of only 4 kilometers. The weapon was permanently retired because the explosive blast radius and deadly radiation fallout were so unpredictable that it posed an extreme threat to the friendly military crews firing it.